Hi everybody, welcome back to my second review. I am of course Remy, and this is my review of On the Ass. I received a new subscription a couple of days ago, and this one's from their originals selection, and it is called Delirium. Sorry, it's late at night, tired. But this is awesome packaging, got awesome artwork on. What does it say on the back? Your mind goes mad. Is this a strange dream, or has fantasy become reality? Quickly open this colourful package and find the answer that you are looking for. Ooh, sounds ominous. And they put on easy to peel labels off, so I don't have to mess about with trying to block out my address and all that for the video. Oh well. I'm trying at a different time of night as well, so if the colours are a bit off, I'm gonna have a look at that on the edit, try and match it up the best I can. I am colour retoucher, that's what I do for a job, so I should be able to do it, hopefully, fingers crossed. But let's waste no time and let's get into these. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be the first time I'm wearing pink underwear. So let's get into these. Yeah, hopefully. It's always nice packaging. They do make great effort. Everything out of the box just to show you the artwork again. It's amazing. This is really amazing artwork. I mean, I like this guy on the back. This looks cool, so cool. And that just reminds me of my dad's parrot, or parakeet. Even though my dad's is green, but the expression. Let's put that down there. Let's see if we've got. Ooh, we've got some extra stuff in this time. We've got this, which is, I believe, the card. Try and show you it. Looks cool, and it has some stuff on the back. Try and show you it again. Hopefully that focuses. If not, I might make a card with all this information. I mean, I can read it anyway. So it's our boxer shorts are made with high quality standards so that we can deliver you a top product. However, boxer shorts also have a certain lifespan. Wearing and washing them will wear them out, and you have to get rid of them one day. But don't worry, next month there will be a brand new pair of boxer shorts in your mailbox. Hopefully, fingers crossed. And I got this as well, which I think is really cool. Sticker, I believe. Yes, it is. It's a sticker. Nice hologramic sticker there. Well, not hologramic, you know what I mean. So, I don't know where to put that actually. Don't know. I'm not sure where to put that. I'll find a place for it, but that's cool. I like little extras what companies put in. I think that's a really, really good touch. Well, let's get to the main event. Yeah, we're here to see the boxer shorts, aren't we? And I do have a bit of pink on. Let's get the right way first. Oh, I love these. Let's have a look at them first. Yeah, that's right up my alley. Just madness. Which is my life, my YouTube channel madness. But look at those. Those are amazing. Just look at the colours, look at the detail on those. Just really, really, really are good. And the reason why this is like 2 months apart, I think, from my last one, is because Royal Mail messed up the deliveries on the last one, and I didn't think they actually came. So they sent me a free pair of the Lucha Libre ones again. So I have 2 pairs of those now, which is very thank you to the admin who I was talking to, and it was really, really nice of them. Despite everything going on, with the COVID thing and all that. But these are my first paid pair, and they're just amazing. This is right up my alley, and it is like a wacky dream on your underwear. To be honest, I really do hope this is picking up the true colours, because look at that, that's amazing. Like I said, these have become my favourite now, my favourite company for this sort of stuff. I always like wacky stuff and stuff like that, and these are just right up my street. There's no point in doing the try on, because I've already. Actually, these do feel a bit more different. Actually, thinking of that, they do feel a bit different to the Lucha Libre ones. They feel more silky, if that's a thing. But like I say, I have 2 pairs of those Lucha Libre ones now, and I'm not disappointed in one bit. They're amazing. And I think these are going to be the same. These are going to be my tomorrow shorts. Tomorrow underwear. Once I have my bath. Yeah. Amazing. Again, you really should, if you like what you see here, try and show you again. You like all sorts of this. I would sign up to them, hands down. Even just to try their freebie pair, just to have a look for yourself and see if you like something like this, because these are amazing. These are amazing. Yeah, it's 95% cotton, 5% elastane. And it also gives you the month on the 07/2020. It's cool. But these are just, I think these are my new favourite now. These are just awesome. These are definitely my new favourite. But yeah, if you want to try them, I think they've brought down the price as well, to $8.99. That's probably due to, well, the world as it is at the moment. But if you can, these are definitely worth it. Definitely worth $8.99. They're worth a tenner, to be honest. I think they're worth more than that. I've paid more than that for horrible underwear in the past. So these are definitely worth it. Again, I don't get any money for doing this. I'm not in with the company. I'm just a fan of them. I actually saw the adverts a week after lockdown happened in the UK, and I thought, why not? I want to try them. I want to treat myself. I want to try them. Feel good about myself and wearing them, and that's what they do. They're really, and I'm definitely going to wear these tomorrow, which you will not see a video. So don't ask. Don't ask one little bit. I wish I had a mannequin. Like a little. Yeah, the underwear ones where you can actually put them on and you can see them like in action, but not me. No, no, we won't be doing that. Anyways, and these are again. I hope it's picking up the true colours and you get to see what these are really like and judge for yourself, because these are amazing. This is their originals range. They do other ranges as well, but I kind of like the funky out there sort of stuff. So this is what I would go for 100%. And I think they're just really well done. And I mean, who would not love these? That's amazing. And yeah, just the website link will be below. Um, and I would give them a go. Even if you're just doing it for a month, even if you're just doing it for 2 months, give them a go. You know, I've seen other designs. I've seen the Jester one. That looks amazing. I really want a pair of those. Oh God, I can't remember what the other one was. What was I looking at the other day? I commented on it. Um, I honestly can't remember, but they were amazing. Actually, every single one I've seen so far has been amazing. Um, Pictures online and obviously in the flesh. I now own 3 pairs. Which I'm proud of. Well, no, I love these. To be honest, these are amazing. And we'll just do one more look for you guys or gals. No, don't just have to be guys. These women can wear these too. Just saying. Just saying. But these are amazing. Just to show you again the detail. And obviously you get to see more because my bottom's big, so I get extra large. So the big. And yeah, just look for yourself. So all the website and how to get your stuff will be below in my descriptions. If you like what you see, please leave a like. If you really like it, please subscribe. It all helps. Click your little subscribe button, your little like button, and the little bell as well, because I'm pretty sure that helps as well. And also, if you do like, spread the word to a friend or something like that, and give me some feedback, which I would appreciate. This is my first time doing videos on YouTube, so yeah, I would love some feedback and everything. And massive shout out to my favourite band as well, La Fontaines. They're an amazing band. They're like a Scottish rock, really amazing. And I can't wait to see these guys tour again. Hopefully next year when all this, hopefully this ends. But yeah, until then, hopefully I'll be back next time with another pair and another review. I'm going to a little bit more depth of the pair, what I get. Do a little bit more digging into it and stuff like that. It'll be a bit more better than this one. And hopefully I won't be recording on my phone like I am at the moment. So quality aside for this one, just bear with me. I am working on a few things. I hope you enjoyed it, and everybody just take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.